Hey guys, I'm en route to suspicious activity. Neighbor kids, we don't like them. They're shooting off bottle rockets and fireworks. Called the cops on them. The cops should be here any minute. I sprinted home and got my camcorder, trying to get you guys a decent video for once. Alright, here we go now. The Adrenaline's building. We'll be waiting on the corner for the cops to come. I'll be filming it all. They're probably going to suspect us at first, but it's not going to be us. We're going to be sitting on the corner. We'll be back in a few minutes. Bye. Alright, we've got some action. Oh, alright, we got one lit. You can see the spark. Alright, I'm going to zoom out so we can see it. Here we go. Oh, it's a fountain. It's a fountain. In case the cops come. Alright, we're just stepping back a little. We don't want to be the ones suspected. Alright, as you can see, sorry about the shaky camera, a little adrenaline going here. Alright, you got a fountain down there. I'm going to do a little ride by on my bike. Stand by, guys. Doing a little fireworks, guys? Nice. Lighting them off in the middle of the street. A car almost got hit by one. The cops are coming. Alright, here, we're calling the police. I'll get you guys in on the conversation.
Hey guys, I'm gonna verify that it's coming. I just wanna inform the people.
Here we go. Oh, that's one of those things that shoots far.
Hey guys, I'm just gonna get the cops number. No, fuck those bitches over. Hello?
Alright, please hold for an operator.
Gracias, amigo.
Amiga.
Oh, I apologize.
Come on, police.
I'm sorry, what was again?
No, I just want the non-emergency police number, please.
1 moment, please.
No problem. Yeah, no problem, buddy.
Alright, I'll send you the info now. Just number, press 1. Or, hang on, and I'll connect you at no additional fee.
Thank you.
The police? No, they're leaving.
I'm sorry, is this the non-emergency number?
How can I help you?
Oh yeah, here's the deal. I called at approximately like 9:09. I'm not sure, but I called about these children lighting fireworks in the middle of the street. I just wanted to call again to verify that they are sending a car because they are lighting fireworks in the middle of the street, and cars have been driving over these, not knowing.
Hold on, let me give you the dispatch. Hold on, okay?
Ah, sorry.
That takes the best time.
The non-emergency number?
No, it's not.
Oh, here's the deal. I called approximately at 9:09 about these kids lighting fireworks. And I was just verifying that they're sending a car. And why I'm verifying this is because they're now lighting fireworks, like big ones, in the middle of the street. And wait, did you hear those fireworks?
Yes, I heard them.
Oh yeah. And
Yeah.
cars are going past the street because it's a quite busy street, and they're going over these, not knowing that there's fireworks underneath them. And I just
And blowing up?
yeah, like you know those fountain, those sparkles things, like they're big fountains.
Right.
Cars aren't even knowing, they're slowing down. It's really loud, and I'm trying to get some sleep, and I just wanted a car to come here as soon as possible.
Yeah, no, I understand, ma'am. It's just that we have other calls coming in also.
Yeah, but
As soon as we have one available, we will send them out there.
oh yeah, I'm just really worried because like cars don't know that fireworks are going off, and all these kids are screaming. They're like 13 to 14, and they're all screaming, "Oh crap, a car, get out of the way." And like these cars are going over these fireworks, and I'm worried that something's gonna happen.
Right. No, I understand. We'll try to get somebody out there sooner, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
No problem. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, other way. I just want to get it on video. Alright, fine. Just like that.
Apparently the curfew is 11.
Alright, let's go. Get past the house. I don't want to.
Stop.
Max, slow down.
I know. I'm trying to get out of your video here. Oh shit.
This is for you guys. Alright, stop. David. Stand over. It's not police activity. They're still in the neighborhood. They might be looking for it. $250.